Good morning children. Now I am taking Hindi subject in that lesson number 7, Ashok Mahan. Ashok the Great. Children, have you heard the name Ashok? Yes. Ashoka was a great Indian emperor of Mauryan dynasty. See, we called Ashoka was a great emperor in our Indian history. Why we say Ashoka was a great? About the children, we will learn through this lesson. Okay. See children, open page number 31. Lesson number 7, Ashok Mahan. See children, before starting lesson children, first you observe the glossary means Shabdat. Chota means small. Sthapit karna means to establish. Yudh means a war. Jeetna means to win. Lash means dead body. Veer means brave. Swadi means independent. Adhikar means possession. Pyar means love. Yodh means a knight. Means युद्ध काला में निपुण व्यक्ति. We call Yodha. Okay. And next Drud means strong. Samrat, an emperor. Nirasha, Dukhi. Dwaj, flag. Sin, what that? Sher. Sin means sher. Sher, lion. Sin means lion. Another name for that, sin, sher. Okay. Now see the lesson children. Lesson number 7, Ashok Mahan. Ashoka the Great. एक राजा था, उसका नाम अशोक था. राजा अशोक बड़ा वीर और वह एक साहसी योद्धा था. सारे भारत में अशोक का राज्य था. केवल कलिंग राज्य पर अशोक का राज न था. कलिंग स्वाधीन था. कलिंग एक छोटा सा राज्य था. राजा अशोक कलिंग के बारे में सोचकर अक्सर दुखी हो जाता था. उसे कलिंग अपने विशाल राज्य में हृदय में घाव की तरह दिखाई पड़ता था. इसलिए वह जल्द से जल्द कलिंग पर विजय प्राप्त करना चाहता था. See children, एक राजा था, उसका नाम अशोक था. There was living one king, his name was Ashoka. What was the name of that king? Ashoka. Okay. See, Ashoka बड़ा वीर और वह एक साहसी योद्धा था. How was Ashok the king? Ashok was very veer. Veer means brave. Veer means brave. Ashoka was a brave king and also एक साहसी योद्धा था. Means साहसी means adventurous king. See here, Ashoka was a very brave and adventurous. He was a वीर और वह एक साहसी योद्धा था. सारे भारत में अशोक का राज्य था. See children, whole part of the India was ruling by Ashoka. केवल कलिंग राज्य पर अशोक का राजा न था. See, only the place Kaling. Kaling is one place in India. Okay, it is the part of India. But in the place Kalinga, there was the place was not ruling by Ashoka, except Kalinga Rajya. केवल कलिंग राज्य पर अशोक का राज न था. कलिंग स्वाधीन था. कलिंग स्वाधीन था. स्वाधीन means independent. Swadhin, independent. The Rajya Kalinga was independent state. state. It was ruling by other emperor, one another emperor. It was not ruling by Ashoka. See, Kalinga एक छोटा सा राज्य था. See, Kalinga, it was a very small state. राजा अशोक कलिंग के बारे में सोचकर अक्सर दुखी हो जाता था. See, Ashok always thinking about the Rajya Kalinga because most part of India was ruling by Ashoka. Only the part Kalinga was not ruling by Ashoka. That's why Ashoka was always thinking about Kalinga. Means you want to make the battle with Kalinga and to have the Kalinga state. Because Ashoka was a very brave king, you know. So that's why Ashoka always thinking about Kalinga to own that Kalinga state. उसे राजा अशोक कलिंग के बारे में सोचकर अक्सर दुखी हो जाता था. अक्सर मीन्स often, again and again Ashoka was thinking about Kalinga state. उसे कलिंग अपने विशाल राज्य में हृदय में घाव की तरह दिखाई पड़ता था. See, for Ashoka, this Kalinga place, according to him, it was the special part to Ashoka. So that's why Ashoka always thinking about Kalinga state only. Then इसलिए वह जल्द से जल्द कलिंग पर विजय प्राप्त करना चाहता था. So always Ashoka was thinking about Kalinga Raj, you know, and he always want to win the Kalinga battle or want to make the one of the part in our Raj, like that. Ashoka was thinking about that Kalinga. Actually, Ashoka had lot of most part of India he was ruling. Even he very interested in the to have the Kalinga Rajya. राजा अशोक की कलिंगा पर अपना राज स्थापित करने की इसी इच्छा ने एक दिन संकल्प का रूप ले लिया था. इसी कारण उन्होंने कलिंग राज्य पर आक्रमण कर दिया ताकि कलिंगा पर जल्द से जल्द अधिकार हो जाए. See, he was not simply thinking Ashoka, first he want to do the battle with Kalinga and to win that battle. See, always he was thinking about that only, no? So one day what happened? राजा अशोक की कलिंगा पर अपना राज स्थापित करने की इसी इच्छा ने एक दिन संकल्प का रूप ले लिया था. See, one day Ashoka was decided to do the battle with Kalinga. Must should have that Kalinga place. इसी कारण उन्होंने कलिंगा राज्य पर आक्रमण कर दिया. So he was thinking, no, one day he decided to do the battle with Kalinga ताकि कलिंगा पर जल्द से जल्द अधिकार हो जाए. See, what was he thinking? If I do the battle now only, means very fast, means as soon as I can what that own the Kalinga Rajya. So that's why what that Ashoka strongly decided to do the battle with Kalinga. Means with the Kalinga the Kalinga Rajya who was ruling with that king. So like that Ashok decided to do the battle with Kalinga. कलिंगा राज्य के सिपाही बड़ी वीरत से लड़े. वे अपने राज्य से बड़ा प्यार करते थे. वे उसे खोना नहीं चाहते थे. बड़ा भयंकर युद्ध हुआ. हजारों की संख्या में लोग मारे गए, अनेक घायल हुए. सी कलिंगा राज्य के सिपाही बड़ी वीरत से लड़े. सी कलिंगा राज्य के सिपाही मीन सोल्जर he was what that fought with Ashok very bravely. He was also what that did the what that battle with Ashoka very bravely. See, कलिंगा राज्य के सिपाही बड़ी वीरत से लड़े. He also bravely fought with Ashoka. वे अपने राज्य बड़ा प्यार करते थे. See that Sipahi means that state emperor also loves the Kalinga place very much. Means he loving very much about the Kalinga state. So वे उसे खोना नहीं चाहते थे. So that's why that Sipahi means soldier or emperor, he was not losing that Kalinga part very easily because he also loved very much कलिंगा राज्य. बड़ा भयंकर युद्ध हुआ. See, actually Ashoka was also a brave king, no? He was also a very adventurous, no? So here Ashoka was very interested to and strongly decided to win the Kalinga Raja. So Ashoka also fought with the Kalinga Raja's what with the emperor very strongly, and this side what that king also fought very bravely with Ashoka because he also not losing the Kalinga Raj to others. See what happened in that battle. बड़ा भयंकर युद्ध हुआ. See, both were strong, no? So this was a very what that great भयंकर dreadful battle. It was dreadful battle. नेक्स्ट, हम हजारों की संख्या में लोग मारे गए. मीन्स 1000 people, more than 1000 people died in this battle. अनेक घायल हुए. So many people wounded. Okay, so many poor people wounded. So many soldiers killed, died in this war, and many were wounded in this war. Means here the what the battlefield full what that filled with blood. So many are dying, so many were dying, so many were losing. They were wounded. So it is really a very bhayankar, means dreadful battle it was. Which battle? Kalinga battle. Actually, both the sides emperors were very strong. No one lose to this battle. So we say this Kalinga war was very dreadful battle. See, in this battle, who won? Whether Ashoka or Kalinga's emperor. Who won the battle? What happened later, children? About that, I will explain in the next class. Okay? Thank you.